Thanksgiving is a special holiday. We celebrate it in the fall. It's a time to say thank you. We are thankful for all the good things like family and friends, and yummy food too. We also give thanks for the things we have, like a cozy home and warm clothes. Thanksgiving is a happy time. We celebrate with lots of love. It's a time to be together and have fun. Thanksgiving is celebrated in the United States and Canada. It happens once a year. We celebrate with a big meal and lots of delicious food. Turkey is the most famous Thanksgiving food, but there are other yummy dishes too, like mashed potatoes and pumpkin pie. Thanksgiving is a time to be grateful for everything we have. It's a warm and happy holiday. It's a time to appreciate the simple things, like a sunny day or a good book. We can be thankful for our pets too. They give us so much love and make us laugh. Thanksgiving reminds us to be kind and to help others. It's a time to spread joy and share happiness with everyone. Thanksgiving is a time for togetherness. We gather with family and friends. We share stories and laughter. It's a time to create memories that will last a lifetime. Thanksgiving is a beautiful holiday, full of warmth and gratitude. So let's celebrate and give thanks for all the good things. Long ago, people called pilgrims sailed across the big ocean. They came from England. They wanted a new home where they could be free. They sailed on a ship called the Mayflower. It was a long and hard journey. The pilgrims were brave. They faced many challenges. The Mayflower landed in a new land. It was called America. The pilgrims were excited, but it was a hard winter. The pilgrims were cold and hungry. They didn't know how to find food. In this new land, they needed help. The Native Americans lived in America. They knew the land well. They helped the pilgrims. They taught them how to grow food and how to survive. The pilgrims were grateful for their help. They learned a lot from the Native Americans. They became friends. The pilgrims and the Native Americans worked together. They built homes and planted crops. They learned from each other. They shared their cultures. They became a community. After a long year, the pilgrims had a good harvest. They had lots of food to eat. They wanted to celebrate and give thanks for their blessings. They invited the Native Americans to share a special meal. This was the first Thanksgiving. The pilgrims and Native Americans feasted together. They ate turkey, deer, and corn. They shared stories and songs. They celebrated their friendship and their gratitude for the harvest. It was a happy time. The first Thanksgiving lasted for 3 days. They played games and had fun. They gave thanks for their new home and for the friends they had made. The first Thanksgiving was a special celebration of gratitude and friendship. The first Thanksgiving was a time of peace between the pilgrims and Native Americans. They shared their traditions and customs. They learned from each other and celebrated their differences. It was a beautiful moment in American history. Thanksgiving is all about saying thank you. We give thanks for the good things in our lives, like our family and friends, our health and happiness. We show our gratitude in many different ways. We can say thank you with words. We can tell people how much we appreciate them. We can write thank you notes or give them a hug. Saying thank you makes people feel good. It spreads kindness and love. We can also show our thankfulness through actions. We can help others in need. We can volunteer our time or donate to charity. Giving back to our community is a great way to show gratitude. Thanksgiving reminds us to be grateful every day. Not just on Thanksgiving Day, we can find things to be thankful for, even in challenging times. Gratitude makes us happier and more resilient. Thanksgiving, traditions, food, family, and fun. Thanksgiving is full of fun traditions. One of the biggest traditions is the Thanksgiving meal. Families gather together to share a delicious feast. Turkey is the star of the show. We also eat lots of other yummy foods like mashed potatoes, cranberry sauce, and pumpkin pie. Everyone has their favorite dishes. Thanksgiving is a time to enjoy all the good food and to share it with loved ones. Another important tradition is spending time with family. We travel from near and far to be together on Thanksgiving. We share stories and laughter and create lasting memories. Thanksgiving is a time to reconnect with family. We catch up with relatives, we play games and have fun. We strengthen our bonds and cherish the time we spend together. parades, and football. More Thanksgiving fun! Thanksgiving is also a time for parades. Many cities have big Thanksgiving parades with colorful floats and marching bands. People gather in the streets to watch the parade go by. The Macy's Thanksgiving Day Parade is the most famous. It happens in New York City. It has giant balloons and amazing performers. It's a spectacular event that people watch all over the country. Another Thanksgiving tradition is watching football. Many families gather around the TV to watch their favorite teams play. It's a fun and exciting way to spend Thanksgiving Day. Football is a popular sport in America, and Thanksgiving is a big day for football fans. They cheer for their teams and enjoy the thrill of the game. It's a tradition that brings people together. Thanksgiving today, a time for gratitude. Thanksgiving is celebrated today much like it was long ago. We still gather with family and friends to share a special meal and give thanks for our blessings. Thanksgiving is a national holiday in the United States and Canada. Schools and businesses are closed so people can spend time with their loved ones. It's a time to relax and enjoy the holiday. Thanksgiving is a time to reflect on the past year and to appreciate all the good things. We give thanks for our health, happiness, and opportunities. We express our gratitude for the people in our lives. Thanksgiving is a reminder to be thankful every day for the big things and the small things. Gratitude makes us happier and more resilient. It helps us appreciate the present moment and to live with joy and contentment. Giving back, sharing the Thanksgiving spirit. Thanksgiving is also a time to give back to our community. We can help those in need by volunteering our time or donating to charity. Sharing our blessings with others is a wonderful way to celebrate Thanksgiving. We can volunteer at a soup kitchen or food bank. We can donate food or clothing to those less fortunate. We can help organize a Thanksgiving meal for the homeless. There are many ways to make a difference in our community. Giving back to others makes us feel good. It helps us appreciate our own blessings, and it spreads kindness and compassion. It's a meaningful way to celebrate the spirit of Thanksgiving. Thanksgiving is a time for sharing and caring. We can extend our gratitude beyond our own families and reach out to those in need. By giving back to our community, we make the world a better place and truly embody the spirit of Thanksgiving. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Until next time, next.